Kava sewer here. Beautiful Patterson Park in Baltimore, Maryland. Going to meet the Senor Chugs for some epic early summer crunking with the Squanch. All right, we're here with Senor Chugs.
Woo! What's up?
At the old stomping grounds, right?
Yeah, at the Hampstead Hill, where the Battle of Baltimore took place in the War of 1812.
This is where we
found our freedom.
This is where we found our freedom.
And today we freaking took advantage of it because we just pulled out of the climate agreement.
Yeah.
Too much freedom.
Too much freedom. But the Kava should help, I believe.
Yeah, let's try and forget about it.
All things being equal, all things being as they are, the Kava will help. It'll ease the pain, man. Ease the pain.
Oh yeah. Here we go. There was 3 heaping tablespoons. Let's give it a fourth for good measure.
Wow, this is gonna be epic. So this is the Squanch Kava, and according to the Squanch, from the Squanch's mouth to my ear, this is a new Fijian Waka, and you can actually see that the label's new as well. It's kind of cool. It says Fijian Waka. Yeah. It used to just have like a little sticker on it. They would say if it was a Waka or a Loa.
Yeah, and we would get the Squanches himself, his unique handwriting style that was sometimes legible and sometimes not. Now we have sweet block font that's easily legible to all patrons.
Yes.
For your reference.
There will no longer be misunderstandings about what kind of Kava, because it's true. The Squanch's handwriting leaves a lot to be desired.
The Kava's great, but the penmanship, I just have nothing to say.
And I think we're fine with that. I'm fine with that.
I'm fine with that.
We can do without the penmanship as long as the Kava's good. And so far, the records have shown that the Kava is always good from the Squanch. He's the like the farmer's market dude of Kava vendors.
Yeah.
You know.
He's the guy that will he'll participate on the forums quite a bit.
Yeah.
Talk about his competitors' products in neutral light. So.
That's quite a lot of water for 4 tablespoons of Kava. No, I'm sorry. Quite a little bit of water. Yeah.
I think that adds
What did we get? We put in 4 or 5.
We put in
that's
4.
A good amount. Yeah, that's a good amount.
Put in 4. Yeah, this would be like 1.5 aloe balls.
Yeah.
So this will be good. And it's got about probably 5 aloe balls worth of root powder in there. Let it soak for a minute. We'll need it.
All right, we're gonna finish making this and then get back to y'all.
All right, we got some Squanch Waka.
Fijian Waka.
Here's what it looks like on the pour.
Nice.
Oh, not the best pouring vessel, but nonetheless.
There it is.
And I'm still getting over a cold, so I'm using my not so fancy B-Low here.
No problem.
It's all right.
It's all the same on the inside.
Yeah.
Bula.
Bula.
Woo!
Woo!
That's some greasy Waka, huh?
Oh yeah,
it's got that Squanch grease, which I think is indicative of freshly harvested and dried Kava.
Yeah, man, the way this particular Waka hits you is really nice. It's got some nice subtle immediate effects, and then just a wave of relaxation that kind of builds over the next 30 to 45 seconds and takes full effect probably in a few minutes from now.
Yeah, I agree. We drank a bunch of this stuff the other night.
Yeah, it's different from maybe from a Lowena or maybe a Tongan that's more like very immediate. This one is just, it's kind of, you get a nice subtle effect immediately, and then a wave of awesome.
Yeah.
Upward from there.
It starts mellow, and then it kind of starts wonking you. Like,
Oh yeah.
and yeah, the other night we drank, I want to say like 8 or 9 shells of this stuff.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it's absolutely phenomenal.
Oh yeah. It's a good one to have in an evening.
One thing that I noticed.
Weekend.
One thing I noticed the day after is it has like an afterglow.
Oh,
So like you wake up the next day and you kind of stretch and you don't feel like hungover. You just feel like kind of like you're glowing still from the Kava.
Yeah, you feel like you're glowing. And I had some trouble waking up. I slept like a brick. I slept like a brick that night.
Yeah. No, me too. Me too. All right, we're gonna give it a little bit of time, and then we're gonna do some final comments. Make it sound.
This is my dog Olive that's also joining us for Kava. And here is the Kavasaur.
How's it going, guys?
Alright, let's take another shell.
Is the time going on it?
Oh yeah, we're
Okay.
15 seconds in
All
recording.
right. Low tech Kavasaur. Just checking to make sure the camera's rolling. All right, so I'm gonna spill this, I'm sure, but
Yeah, it's all good.
oh, I didn't actually.
No, yeah,
Got a slight little breeze here at Patterson Park today, but it's nice. It's like 79, 80 degrees, and
Yeah.
we've had full shells of Waka already.
yeah. Couldn't ask for a better day to Bula.
Yeah, you really could not ask for a better day to Bula. I'm sure that even Vanuatu doesn't get days like this.
Oh, yeah.
So Bula
Bula.
to the hula. So having the dog was going after a squirrel. We apologize for
Any camera joking.
So this Waka, to me, like the way I would characterize it is like a very heavy kava.
Yeah,
Like
I agree.
it makes you kind of want to like be still, and but also it's also kind of uppity. Like
Yeah, it's not a stony Kava.
Yeah, it makes you kind of talkative, right?
Yeah, it's not particular. It's not a super cerebral Kava.
Yeah, yeah.
It's heavy. It's I feel it a lot less so in my limbs. I feel it in my middle. You know, in my chest.
your core.
And, yeah, but it's a seated Kava. It's not much. You know, I sort of think of Kavas. There's hiking Kavas and there's couch Kavas.
Yeah, this is more of a couch.
This
kava.
is a couch Kava.
Yeah, because it is very heavy. Like it makes you kind of want to stay in one place and you know, kind of like just talk, right, and like be creative and
Yeah.
think about stuff. But yeah, it takes the edge off of things. You know, at the end of a long work week or at the end of a long day, even, right?
Mm-hmm.
Takes
Absolutely.
the edge off. I couldn't be more happy with the Squanch.
Yeah.
Squanch heads unite.
Yeah. Place some orders.
Yeah, place some orders. This guy knows what's up, man.
Yeah, I'm about to haul out a couple pounds before he runs out of this stuff.
Bula.
Yeah, Bula.